Every mint leaf is a blessing. Well, hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about this Noveni peppermint oil. And I'm sure you must be knowing what peppermint is. Yes, it is pudina. Peppermint oil benefits are incredible and the uses of peppermint have been proven thousands of years. Yes, I want to start like this and this is going to be a surprise for you, I bet. When I started looking for essential oils and their benefit, I knew they were used throughout the history for over 5,000 years. I knew they were beneficial, but I didn't know how many medical studies have been done. So I did research and what I found was really shocking. Peppermint oil. There are over 1200 medical studies in proving how it helps to heal our digestive tract, our breathing system. So in this video, you are going to learn all the unknown facts about peppermint oil and the various applications. I am having this peppermint oil from Noveni, which is 100% natural essential oil extracted by the method of steam distillation. Steam distillation is one of the most popular methods used to extract and isolate the essential oils from plant. And just after opening the lid, the aroma of this mint is all around, which is extremely fresh and pleasing. So before going further to this video, I would like to give you a short intro what makes this oil so powerful. It contains the compound of menthol. Peppermint oil is good for so many things. Today I am gonna show 5 ways how you can avail the benefit of this oil. Number 1. Peppermint oil has an excellent anti-inflammatory properties, means it helps to reduce the redness of the skin, dryness, itching and promote the healthy skin. But you should always remember peppermint oil is an essential oil and essential oils are never used directly to our skin. You should always use this with any of the carrier oil. Noveni has a wide range of carrier oils. You can dilute it with jojoba oil, almond oil. So today I am showing you with coconut oil. Just warm 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and add few drops of peppermint oil to it. And with your fingers, rub it into your fingers. It helps the oil to easily absorb into your skin and apply it in a upward motion like this over forehead. Number 2. Peppermint oil also helps in hair care. It helps to reduce the dandruff, fungal infection, itching and promotes the hair growth. For using it to your hair, just take your regular coconut oil and add few drops of peppermint oil to it. And now, with the help of your fingers, just massage it to your scalp for some time before going to bed. And in the next morning, just wash it off with a mild shampoo. Repeat this activity twice a week and you will notice a miracle change in your hair. Number 3. Peppermint oil can also be used aromatically to enliven the senses and promote the feeling of energy. For this, try placing 1 drop of peppermint to your palm and inhale it by cupping your hand to your nose like this. This will give you a best feeling of relaxation, reduces tension and headache. Number 4. You can also use this peppermint oil to simple but invigorating diffuser blend and enjoy the fresh aroma to your house, office or even classroom. To make a blend, combine 3 drops of peppermint oil with 2 drops of grapeseed oil, which is also available in Noveni, and enjoy the fresh and cooling aroma and make your day. I'm gonna make a separate video with diffusers. 5. Peppermint oil can also be used as an insect repellent because of its fresh and minty aroma and helps to get rid of mosquitoes and insects. What you have to do is just mix 2 or 3 drops with water and put it in a spray bottle and get rid of insects. It also boosts the therapeutic quality of a morning shower. Just add few drop of peppermint oil to your bathtub before going to bath. And always remember to use diluted essential oil because they are highly concentrated and should always be handled with caution. Now I wanted to make you aware of all the safety measures and precautions you should take before using this oil. Number 1. Though the use of oil is completely safe, but I recommend you to always consult an expert advice before using it, as it may vary from person to person, skin type, or many other multiple factors. Number 2. If you are already suffering from any kind of disease, never use this oil before expert supervision. Number 3. All the pregnant and breastfeeding mothers should take extra care and always use this oil with an expert advice. So here I am ending this video. I hope you got all the necessary information